It's a little bit windy today. Hi everybody, Deborah Dickinson here. We had quite the windstorm actually day before yesterday, and then yesterday it was still windy, but not as bad. Finally, this is Jana's portable solar panel. She was able to put that out today, and I thought I'd show you what happened, because we had everything put up and we're prepared for the winds, but I thought I'd show you what happened to one of the saguaros out here. Let's go for a walk. Sorry about the wind. It's only like 12 miles per hour today, I think. It was 30 to 40 miles per hour sustained, with 60 to 70 mile per hour gust. And our friend the Dan Van, he lost his cover to his vent, his fan on the top. He didn't have it open, he just lost it. The winds just need just a little bit of lift to get that up, and it is gone bye-bye. Okay, can you see it yet? See, it fell down in this wind. They looked like goalposts here. In fact, I've shot a lot of sunset pictures with these two saguaros on either side. Poor little thing was also growing a new arm, and those can take God, I'll have to look it up, maybe put it in the video description, but I think those can take like 10 years to start growing. Anyway, this poor baby fell down in the winds this week. I'll show you something else. You see the tips of them, just the tips of each arm. Those grow big, huge white flowers in the spring. This one looks like that one, especially down there, was going to be blooming. Sorry, Saguaro. Okay, I'll walk back to camp now and tell you what we're up to today. Have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? If not, please hit that subscribe button and click all for the notifications. Okay, so I'm back at camp, and this is going to be a short video today, guys, because I have to take a whole bunch of stuff out of my RV, and that never goes well when I do that. I've been out, this is my 8th winter on the road full time, and I've had to take everything out of my rig about half a dozen times to reorganize and cull. Everybody thinks that you do it once and you're done, and that hasn't been my experience, and it hasn't been the experience of most of my friends. But right now my RV is so messed up. Since actually my meetup in October, so I have to somehow get my books in the cabinet and get rid of some other things so I can get everything off my bed. But that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'll show you the mess inside and call this quits. But I wanted to touch base with you and let you know what I'm up to today. Okay, you guys, I know that seeing my messy house is not much of a video, but I share everything pretty much with you guys, so I thought I'd show you this. All of that has to come down because there are boxes back behind there that I have to go through the paperwork and the pictures and digitize. And then everything has to come off my bed, and it will go up there when I have enough room. Fun, fun. Maybe not. Okay, wish me luck, you guys. I'm going in.